We got to move this bone. Who do you want to move it? Do you want the one that doesn't move it, has little to no training, and literally zero daily experience? Do you want the one that has training? Yay. But in the grand scheme of things, it's not something they do every day. Or if you want a safe, natural, physical remedy, sometimes just immediate results of that second bone in your neck to move so you can come in, get adjusted, and leave, do you want the person who has literally dedicated their life and their career to it to do it?